Hello, my friends. After using the printer for 6 months, the black color started to fade slightly. So let's begin refilling the printer ink in a few easy steps. Let's try printing. As you can see, all the colors are in good condition. But the black color has turned into gray. First, we need to wear gloves to avoid getting our hands dirty with ink. We'll also place a cloth on the desk to keep it clean. Opening the printer door allows the ink cartridges to move to the center. We gently remove the black ink cartridge and place it on the cloth. Then, we repeat the same process with the color ink cartridge. The black ink cartridge requires 4 milliliters of ink, but if it's labeled as XL, it will need 8 milliliters. The ink cartridge has a clear opening under the black dot. We always use separate syringes for each color to prevent mixing. After filling the syringe, we inject the ink into the cartridge and ensure it flows properly from the bottom. Once filled, we install the cartridge back into the printer. For color ink cartridges, we need to pay attention to the colored dots on the cartridge. They don't indicate the injection point for that color. So, we remove the sticker to reveal the color order. In this case, there are 5 holes, but only 3 are for ink. Red is at the top, blue on the right, and yellow on the left. Each cartridge has a different order, so careful checking is essential. Next, we fill the magenta ink purple, approximately 4 milliliters or less if there's leftover ink in the cartridge. Then, we fill the yellow ink at the bottom left and finally the cyan sky blue ink. With the filling stage complete, we thoroughly clean the ink cartridges. We'll notice the 3 colors coming out from the bottom, indicating a successful refill. A quick note to verify color order in any ink cartridge: there are 3 scenarios. 1. If the cartridge has 3 holes and some ink remains, we pass the cartridge over a tissue to see the ink order. 2. If there are more than 3 holes and some ink remains, we use a syringe to extract the remaining colors and wipe the needle tip with a tissue. 3. In cases of severe ink dryness, we can uncover the cartridge carefully using a knife, for example, to see colored cotton pieces representing the correct ink order. Afterward, we seal the cartridge tightly to prevent air leakage. Now, let's run the printer's cleaning application after refilling. We search for the printer and open its app. Select Maintain your printer and then choose Clean cartridges. We'll notice the blue, yellow, and red colors appearing, but additional cleaning may be needed. Select Second Level Clean often. We repeat this process until the colors appear very clear. The colors are now more vivid and better. Let's print the same sheet we started with. As you can see, the colors are clear and beautiful again, and the black color has returned to its natural state. And that's it, all done in minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to show your support and appreciation.